Hello, today I'm going to share with you how to play the King Level 1 challenge with Clash Royale. And I've started this challenge a couple of weeks ago, and the object is to stay at King Level 1 forever. And you can see there in the top left hand corner that I'm at King Level 1, and I'm going to stay at King Level 1 the whole time with this account. And to stay at King Level 1, then you don't upgrade any of your cards as this increases your king level, and also you don't donate any cards as this also increases your king level. So with your deck then all your cards will be at their first level, as none of these cards will be upgraded. So you'll start off with common cards, and then rare cards, and then epic cards, and finally legendary cards. And you can see there that my common cards, I've got 2 of them, and they're both on level 1. And I've got 3 rare cards, and they're on level 3. And then I've got 3 epic cards, and they're on level 6. So you're better off with epic cards over rare and common cards, as epic cards are just a stronger card on their base level. Of course, with your deck, you also need a good range of cards, attacking, defending, air and spell cards, a good balanced deck. Now I'm recording this on a Sunday, and you can see that I got a free baby dragon, which is an epic card in the daily deals, which is good. And I've automatically added that card to my battle deck. And you can see there I've got 389 trophies, and my aim is to increase those trophies dramatically while still staying on level 1. And the advantages are that it's a good way to become a more skillful player, because you become better at defending and playing the right card in the right situation. And you become a more skillful player because you're not relying on the strength of your towers or the strength of your deck to help you win battles. It's all about placing the right card in the right position at the right time to defend against your opponent or to attack your opponent's tower. Now, another good thing about the King Level 1 challenge is that you don't need to be opening up your game many times a day to have battles and donate cards, because your aim is not about collecting gold, and it's not about advancing your king level. When you play the King Level 1 challenge, you can have a few days off, and it doesn't matter, because the focus is just on having battles and having fun. Your aim is just to increase your trophies and stay at King Level 1. And it's a fun way to play Clash in a slightly different way. Okay, so I've been playing for another month or so, and I finally got to 1,001 trophies, and I can see there I'm still on King Level 1. And this is the deck that I'm using now. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 epic cards, 1, 2, 3 rares, and 1 common card in my deck, and that deck's been reasonably successful, reasonably well balanced, and reasonably successful. When we look at the my past battles, then I'm probably winning every second battle. So you can see there: victory, defeat, victory, defeat, victory, victory, defeat, defeat, and so on. So yeah, I've sort of been slowly working my way up to the 1,001 trophies. I haven't been playing every day. I've had sort of a number of days off along the way, and just sort of playing when I feel like it. And if you look there, you can see there that I've at 1,001. I've suddenly reached Arena 4, and I've got all these cards here that unlocks at Arena 4. So I just have to wait and see when those cards actually unlock for me. I'd be pretty keen to get the wizard. I think the wizard would be a good addition to my deck, but I'll just have to wait and see when I get it and how it fits in with the other cards that I have in my deck. Okay, so I'd encourage you to try the King Level 1 challenge if you want to play Clash Royale in a different way, and it's a chance to become a more skillful player at the same time. Okay, well, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and goodbye for now.